Hello, everyone. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, we will learn a little about and listen to ancient Greek. Greek is an independent branch of the Indo-European language family spoken in Greece, Cyprus, southern Italy, Albania, and other regions of the Balkans, Black Sea Coast, Asia Minor, and the eastern Mediterranean. It has the longest written history of any Indo-European language of at least 3,400 years. The Greek alphabet, which has been in use for approximately 2,800 years, is its writing system. Historically, Greek was written in syllabic script. The alphabet evolved from the Phoenician script and served as the foundation for numerous writing systems, including Latin, Cyrillic, Armenian, Coptic, and Gothics. The earliest known Greek writing was discovered on a clay tablet from the Mycenaean palace of Pylos. The script was deciphered through the combined efforts of numerous scholars. The earliest written evidence is a clay tablet discovered in Messenia between 1450 and 1350 BCE, making Greek the oldest recorded living language in the world. Only the now extinct Anatolian languages predate its earliest written documentation among Indo-European languages. Greek was by far the most widely spoken language in the Mediterranean region during antiquity. It eventually evolved into medieval Greek, the official language of the Byzantine Empire. Modern Greek is one of the 24 official languages of the European Union and the official language of Greece and Cyprus. It is currently spoken by at least 13.5 million people in Greece and the numerous other countries where the Greek peoples reside. Now let's listen to the apology. This is Plato's version of the speech delivered by Socrates before the Athenian people in his defense against the charges of impiety and for misleading the population. The trial ended with his condemnation and death in 399 BC.
Tonta sodzestai, entautamen uk ia hoi elthona mite humina mite mauto emelon mite nofelos inai, epideto idia hekaston ion euergetin tin megistin euergesian hosegofimi entautha ia epicheiron hekaston humon peithina mi proteron mite ton heautu mi denos epimeleistai prin heautu epimelithie hopos hos beltistos kai Motatos esoito, mite ton tis poleos prinautis tis poleos, tonte alon huto kataton auton tropon epimelistai. Ti un emi axios pathinan toiutos on. Agathon ti o Andres Athenaioi ideige katatinaxian ti alithia ti mastai, kai tautage agathon toiuton hoti anprepoi emoi.
Thank you all so much for watching. If you can like and subscribe, it would mean a lot to us. We love you all. Have a wonderful day.